Hello, science fans. Today, we're about to embark on a fascinating journey into one of the most important processes in all of biology, reproduction. Whether you're a curious student, a budding scientist, or just someone who loves learning about the wonders of life, this topic is at the very heart of what makes our world so vibrant and full of variety. Let's dive into the incredible process of reproduction. It's not just something that happens in faraway jungles or deep oceans. It's happening all around us, every single day. From the tiniest plants sprouting in your backyard to the largest animals roaming the savannah, reproduction is the secret engine that keeps life going. Reproduction is how life makes more life, ensuring species continue their stories. Imagine a world where no new animals were born, no seeds grew into trees, and no babies took their first steps. Without reproduction, the story of life would come to a sudden stop. Every family of animals you see, whether it's a flock of birds, a herd of elephants, or a school of fish, exists because their parents reproduced. Every living thing, from ants to whales, exists because of reproduction. It's the reason we see such a dazzling array of creatures on Earth. Each one, no matter how big or small, is part of a long, unbroken chain of life that stretches back through time. Without it, species face extinction, like a world without new lion cubs. Imagine the savannah without the playful energy of young lions, or forests without the songs of baby birds. When animals can't reproduce, their species slowly disappears, and the world loses a piece of its natural beauty and balance. Reproduction passes DNA from one generation to the next, keeping the world diverse. DNA is like a set of instructions, unique to every living thing, and it's handed down from parents to offspring. This is how traits, like the color of a bird's feathers or the shape of a flower's petals, are inherited. It's not just about making copies, it creates variation, helping species adapt. Each new generation is a little different from the last, and these differences can help animals and plants survive when their environment changes. That's why you see zebras with different stripe patterns, puppies with all sorts of fur colors, and fish with unique markings. This variety strengthens species against diseases and environmental changes. When a population is diverse, it's more likely that some individuals will have the right traits to survive challenges like new diseases, harsh weather, or changes in their habitat. Diversity is nature's way of making sure life can keep going no matter what. Every creature is a link in a chain stretching back millions of years, held together by reproduction. Think about it. Every animal alive today is the result of countless generations that came before, each one passing on life to the next. This chain connects us all, from the tiniest insect to the largest whale. It's why birds sing, peacocks display, and salmon swim upstream. These amazing behaviors are all part of the quest to find a mate and create the next generation. Nature is full of incredible strategies and displays, all designed to help living things reproduce and keep their species alive. Reproduction is a powerful force driving life on our planet. It shapes the way animals behave, the way plants grow, and the way ecosystems thrive. Without it, Earth would be a much quieter, emptier place. So next time you see a baby animal or a seedling sprouting, remember, you're witnessing the magic of life continuing its incredible journey. Have you ever wondered how living things create new life? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of reproduction, the process by which organisms make more of their own kind. Whether you're looking at tiny bacteria or large mammals, every living thing has a way to pass on its genes to the next generation. But not all reproduction is the same. There are two main strategies: asexual and sexual reproduction, each with its own unique advantages and challenges. Let's start by comparing these two methods. Asexual reproduction is the simpler of the two, requiring just one parent. In this process, the parent produces offspring that are genetically identical to itself, essentially clones. This method is quick, efficient, and doesn't require finding a mate, making it ideal for organisms living in stable environments where change is rare. Many plants, fungi, and simple animals like starfish and planaria use asexual reproduction. For example, A single hydra can bud off new individuals, and an amoeba simply splits in two. Even some plants, like strawberries, send out runners to create new, identical plants nearby. This method ensures that successful traits are passed on without change, but it also means there's little genetic diversity. On the other hand, sexual reproduction involves two parents, each contributing half of the genetic material to their offspring. This mixing of genes results in children that are unique, with combinations of traits from both parents. While this process takes more time and energy, organisms must find a mate and often care for their young. It has a huge advantage: genetic variation. Genetic variation is like nature's toolkit for survival. It means that in a changing environment, some individuals may have traits that help them thrive, while others may not. This diversity is especially important for animals and plants that face new diseases, predators, or climate changes. Most animals, including humans, use sexual reproduction. It's nature's way of shuffling the genetic deck, ensuring that every generation is a little different from the last. This constant mixing helps populations adapt and survive in a world that's always changing. So, whether it's one parent or two, reproduction is the key to life's incredible diversity. From identical clones to unique individuals, these strategies shape the living world all around us. For sexual reproduction to occur, animals require highly specialized reproductive systems that are uniquely adapted to their species. These systems are responsible for producing, protecting, and delivering the cells necessary for creating new life. Both male and female animals have organs and structures that play crucial roles in this process, ensuring the continuation of their species through generations. In males, the reproductive system is designed to produce sperm, which are tiny, highly mobile cells created in the testes. Each sperm cell has a long tail, called a flagellum, that helps it swim toward the female egg. The male system also includes ducts and glands that help transport and nourish the sperm, preparing them for their journey. The female reproductive system, on the other hand, produces eggs in the ovaries. These eggs are much larger than sperm and contain a yolk, which provides essential nutrients for the developing embryo. The female system also includes structures like the oviducts, uterus, and sometimes specialized pouches, all designed to support fertilization and the growth of new life. When sperm and egg finally meet, often through a complex journey inside the female's body, fertilization occurs. This union is like a key fitting perfectly into a lock, triggering the start of a new organism. The fertilized egg then begins to divide and develop, eventually growing into a new animal. While the specific structures and methods of reproduction can vary greatly among different animal species, from fish to mammals to birds, the ultimate goal remains the same: to ensure the survival and continuation of life. Understanding these systems helps us appreciate the incredible diversity and complexity of the animal kingdom. Fertilization is the magical moment when sperm and egg unite. This fusion creates a zygote, the first cell of a new individual. Fertilization can be external, like in fish, or internal, like in mammals. Internal fertilization protects and increases the chances of successful reproduction. The strategy used is perfectly tuned to each species' lifestyle. After fertilization, the zygote divides, becoming an embryo. Cells differentiate, forming organs and systems, guided by DNA instructions. In egg-laying animals, the yolk provides nutrition. In mammals, the placenta does. The embryo grows in a safe environment, developing into a fetus ready for birth. Animals either give live birth, viviparous, or lay eggs, oviparous. Viviparous animals, like mammals, develop embryos internally, offering protection. Oviparous animals, like birds, lay eggs, with embryos developing externally. Each strategy has pros and cons, balancing offspring number and survival rate. Some animals undergo metamorphosis, transforming dramatically from young to adult. Frogs start as eggs, become tadpoles, and transform into adult frogs. Tadpoles live in water, breathing through gills, eating algae. As they grow, they develop legs, lungs, and adapt to life on land. Metamorphosis allows species to exploit different environments, reducing competition. Insects like butterflies also undergo metamorphosis, showcasing nature's magic. Reproduction often involves parental care, boosting offspring survival. Some species, like fish, lay many eggs and leave them. Birds and mammals invest heavily, feeding and protecting their young. Parental care varies, from emperor penguins incubating eggs to crocodiles guarding nests. This strategy ensures the next generation thrives. Let's recap the key ideas in animal reproduction. Reproduction is essential for species continuation, preventing extinction. Asexual reproduction creates clones. Sexual reproduction creates genetic diversity. Fertilization unites sperm and egg, forming a zygote. Oviparous animals lay eggs. Viviparous animals give live birth. Metamorphosis transforms young into adults, showcasing nature's wonders. Keep exploring, and you'll find the science of life is truly amazing.